Hey, morning YouTubers. It's Sunday morning. The family's still just waking up, but my favorite place is opening up. It's about 2.5 miles from my house. Now, someone made a comment the other day about my post on those composite ratchets. And the comment, it hit me in the head like a bolt of lightning. He said, hey, why don't I try, since it's that rubber's coming off, why don't I try to see if I can exchange that for another composite ratchet? I said, geez, I never thought of that. And the other day, I broke a Pittsburgh, I think they're Torx. No, they're Allen head in a socket. I broke one of the sockets. It was 6mm. It's not their fault. We were using a 1/2-inch drive, downgraded down to a 3/8, and over-torqued it. And yes, we abused the tool. Can you imagine that? And it broke. Then we had a different one, 1/2-inch drive, completed the job, everything's fine. But I tried to exchange it the other day. They said, hey, we're out of those, come back again. So it's Sunday, let's see if they have it. But I'm going to try that ratchet, because I'll show you a picture of this ratchet. Hold on. Remember this ratchet? The rubber's coming off because it's not really the ratchet's fault. It's like 4 or 5 years old. I just keep this in my service truck, and you know what that is. Bing, bing. I use that as a hammer. And that outer rubber finally broke through. So, enough said. I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to use, remember that book I told you about? How to Win Friends and Influence People. I'm going to kill them with kindness, and let's see if I'm rewarded kindness back. Anyway, it's Sunday. Let's see what happens. Bye. Well, just back in the truck. Took me about 5-10 minutes, and didn't have to kill them with kindness. They said, yeah, go ahead. I said, whoa, okay. So there's that composite ratchet. And here's my metric Allens, the one I broke on, 6mm. They gave me they just changed the whole thing. They didn't go one socket or whatever, the whole thing. So, a lot of guys say this place sucks. I say it's the greatest place known to mankind. No quabbles, all the Pittsburgh Hand Tools or the other Quins, whatever, no problems. They change them out in 2 seconds. Hopefully you have the same experience at your store, at mine. Shoot, they see me all the time, so they're like, yeah, go ahead, do it. So, once again, it's Sunday. Have a blessed day. And remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead, or you're what? You answer. 1, 2, 3. All right, you're an asshole. Anyway, this is just a little informative deal. So, hey, have a great one, huh? Bye-bye.